Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to apply dip powder. And right now we're just going to take all the shine off of the nails, and you want to do this very lightly. Go around the cuticle area, and then you want to go over the entire nail very lightly. I can't stress that enough. You don't want to hurt the client's nails. You're just doing this just to get the shine off so that the product can stick onto the nail. So we're going to do this for all 10 fingers, and then we will go on to the next step. So this is the part where I put just a little bit on the tip of the nail, like the free edge. And this is just the base coat. This just gives the nail a little extra strength for when the nail grows out, it's not as easy to break. Now for the fun, and in this case our client picked a temperature changing dip powder. Some people call it like mood changing, but it really changes because of the temperature. So it will kind of give off a funky look, but that's okay. So right here I'm just showing you zoomed in a little bit that I'm not going all the way to the complete cuticle. I'm going right above, like right below the cuticle area. And I'll show you again right here. So just a little bit below the cuticle area. And then on the next coat, we will go all the way up to the cuticle. So you kind of want to take your time a little bit with this. Not too much time because it does dry quickly, but you want to be careful to not get this on the skin. So just really take that time to round the brush around the cuticle area and the side walls, so just try not to get it on their skin. Okay, for the fun part, so we're gonna go ahead and go all the way up to the cuticle now, but this is the part of the video where you can start to see the color changing. It will be like a light pink, and then it goes to like a purple, and then the tips of her nails look almost like a reddish kind of color. And I'm gonna zoom in so you can see a little bit better. And that's what I meant by funky, not necessarily in a bad way. It's just that it changes colors, so it's always switching on you, so you just don't know how to feel while doing it. It's very interesting, but I love this. So I just wanted to share this moment with you guys and let you experience me doing this temperature changing dip powder. Now we're gonna go in one last time with the top coat, which is the clear coat, which was the same thing that I used as the base coat. And this just helps for when you're drilling, for it to not ruin the dip polish, like the color, while you're drilling it. So it's just like a quick little tip and trick. And you'll see the color changing as I'm doing different things, especially when I'm applying the sealer. Once I apply the sealer to the nails, then you'll see. But this right here is just me showing you that we're gonna cover the whole nail, and then we're gonna put the top coat on there. Okay, so here's a sealer, also known as the activator, and you see how it's starting to change colors right at the tip of the nails. This is just us admiring the color change. Like you see how that is all one solid color. This is like doing a little bit of everything. So we're gonna go ahead and drill around these cuticles, and we're just gonna go ahead and just drill over the, over the entire nail too. But make sure you get that cuticle area so that you can seal the nails so that they don't lift and they can be cute for weeks, I'm sorry I couldn't talk as much during this video. I'm actually at home sick with the flu, but I still wanted to get this video out for y'all. So if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much. I appreciate y'all, and I hope you guys have an awesome rest of the year. We're coming to the end of the year, so we got to be on our P's and Q's, and get set up and get ready for next year so we can be on point and winning, everything we trying to accomplish. So I appreciate y'all again for watching this video, but let's go ahead and get through the rest of this video. And we gotta file them nails. Even if we file them in the beginning, we're gonna file them again just to make sure they're really on point after the application. And she just wants a natural round, so we're just gonna hit them little corners real quick, hit the little free edge real quick, and that's gonna be that. All right, it's time to buff the nails real quick, and we're not gonna do nothing too crazy. We literally just gonna buff and go. Don't stay on it too long. Buff and go. You don't want to make them smooth. You want to kind of roughen them up a little bit, but that's what we're doing. Now we're going in with the base coat, and this is the gel polish. So we're gonna do base, and then we're just gonna do a top coat, and we're gonna be done. All right, this right here is the top coat. How do you know that? Because the bottle is gold, okay? Not the bottle, but the lid, but you understand. Anyway, we all done now. Thanks again for watching, you guys. This is the finished product. I'll see you in the next video.